Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule to join me on my crafting adventure. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen, as well as that little bell icon so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today, I have a design team haul from ASC Craft Supplies. I received the beautiful Prima Hello Pink Autumn. This is another series in the Prima collection. In my previous video, I did a review of the wonderful Halloween collection called Prima 31. In this collection, I have the A4, the 12 by 12, I have the journaling note cards, chipboard stickers, and ephemera. I'm going to clear off my desktop and we will review the 12 by 12 collection first. I'll be right back. This is the 12 by 12 collection and I think it is absolutely beautiful. If you remember its release last fall, the pumpkin and spice, I think it is equally as beautiful. I love the integration of the pink for fall. I think it is so beautiful. As with all Prima 12 by 12 pages, you get 24 sheets. This does have the foil and there are 6 different designs and you receive 4 copies of each. So let's take a look inside. The first page is this beautiful pumpkin print with these beautiful floral designs. This also has the copper foil in the background. This is so beautiful. And I also like that these images are large enough so that you can easily fussy cut them. On the back, you have this gray plaid, which I think is a nice contrast to the A side of this page. Next, we have this muted black background, and you have these fun pumpkin wreaths. You also have hints of the gold foil in the background. Now you can choose to cut these images out individually. That would be nice to use as ephemera on a card, or you can use this as an all-over print. On the back we have another plaid, however this is a larger print. On the next page, we have these really fun cut-aparts, and again, these are really large, which makes them easy to simply cut out. Here it says Blessed, Sweater Weather. You have this pumpkin wreath. I love this pumpkin spice latte. It says Give Thanks. These are just really fun. On the back, you have this fun sweater print. You have the pinks and mauves with hints of tans and black. The next page, I think, is one of my favorites. You have these large pumpkin images in the light orange, light pink, and this sage green. You've got beautiful butterflies and floral designs, and also hints of the copper foil in the back. On the next page, you have what looks like a burlap pattern, and this is a nice neutral background. The next page, you have these fun, large cut-aparts. These are a little larger than 6 by 6, and I think these are just about 4 by 4. Here it says Hello Autumn, Give Thanks, Fall Hugs, and Fall. On the back you have this black muted pattern with a floral background and a light pink. And I love the fact that it's got a nice distressed look to it. The next pattern is this pink page with copper foil dots all over, and you have these fun fall leaves floating in the background. And here in the bottom it says Grateful Hearts. And the last page is this fun pink plaid. Next we have the A4 pad, and this has 30 sheets. These images are very similar to what I shared in the 12 by 12. I'll just go through these quickly. You've got the fun cut-aparts. Everything is just a little bit smaller. Next, we have these chipboard stickers. There are 20 pieces in the collection. You have pumpkins, the pumpkin spice latte with the floral spray, the butterfly, large sentiments. It's a sweater weather. And on the back, you have a large pumpkin. I love this little bird that's perched on top. A little blanket with books. And here it says Autumn. I also received the ephemera. There are 28 pieces in this package, and let me give you a close-up. Again, there are several images that you've already seen in the paper collection. And last but not least, we have the journaling note cards. There are 45 sheets and these are 4 by 6, and I'll just flip through these. This concludes my review of the Prima Hello Pink Autumn collection. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. I cannot wait to start using this collection. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now and happy crafting.